Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We are a group, can transcend the degree of the age. Respect family as extensions of oneself. Physical incarnation is as a prison, and we shouldn't make our worship as forgetting boons for it. Even those who don't go out to make the effort can be liberated. Good intentions may be enough to avert punishment, but admit fault. Heaven and earth are meant for each other. Caretaking of non-human animals can be considered as seriously as one's own children. Religion has summary sounds, chants, scriptures, and rituals. 21 killings of the Kshatriya rulers was to ease things for the rest of society. Sometimes a particular item is needed for a ritual. The duty of a Brahmin, expander, unchanging, longerer, is to bring about reconciliation. Don't let grudges overrun ethics. Punishing thought crimes can lead to the punisher losing all safety and even life. It is better to be a mendicant than a professional worshiper. A spouse may abandon the marriage upon adultery. Unconventional forms of marriage can be acceptable. One can go beyond the goat stage of life by realizing what it is. Lack of ability is not enough to stop desire for itself. Rituals should be done for all occasions, and our powers should be used for our spiritual purposes. Inability to acquire a spouse does not excuse immorality. Try to raise children who will be celebrated and carry on spiritual training. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipotence, omniscience, omnipresence, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.